Who destroyed my flowers? Huh? Who did this? Was it you? Or was it you? Who looks guilty? Huh? Look at me when I'm talking to you. Did you make this mess? Huh? Why did you do this?
All right, today we're gonna bring an actual cage. This is actually really good for plants. If you're gonna plant something and you have a dog like I do, unfortunately my dog's been destroying my plants, my trees. I can't really grow anything. So we're gonna give this a try. We're gonna cover up my flowers, my last of my flowers, and see if it works, because obviously notorious pets, animals, birds, they're gonna get back to this thing and they're gonna start eating it up. So we're gonna go ahead and put it together and see how it works. So it's just basically just put it over the plant and you should be set up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, there's my flowers growing in there. They're looking beautiful. They're the last of my flowers because obviously he ripped the other ones open. But I like the cage, sturdy. You could just remove it. And you don't have to use it just for plants. You could use it for anything. I've seen people actually grow grapevines through these actually cages. So not that bad for growing farms or anywhere out there that you want to cover some plants. You get 4 of these. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.